Hey, Miss Patton, Lorraine Patton, thank you so much for referring me to your auntie. I'm here now, about to do her carpets. Got a total of 4 areas. Polyester carpets, well-maintained carpets, no spots or stains. But again, just want to give a shout out and a thank you to Mrs. Patton, who's been one of my customers for about 5 years now. She referred me to her auntie who lives in the Lawrenceville, Georgia area. And I'm about to clean her carpets. So, all right, guys. So this is it for today. Second job of the day. 1 repeat customer, 1 referral. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get to work. Take care of my new customer. Make her happy. And thank you guys again for all the repeat business and all the referrals. We greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, this is my favorite part. I love to call the customer and let them see the results. These carpets are coming out amazing, guys. Look at that right there. I've done that side, the 2 bedrooms, but let me call Miss Patton so she can see the results. Miss Patton? Yes. Can I see you for a minute? Sure. All righty. I just like to show my customers how the carpets are coming out, because sometimes you don't realize how clean they can get until you start cleaning. So come check it out. You see that? What? Well, it's not just the steam. It's what I did before the steam. I vacuumed the carpets first, remove as much dry soil as possible. Then I pre-treated the carpets, let it dwell, so it can basically loosen up the soil from the fibers. Now I'm rinsing it out. And if you notice too, while I'm cleaning, I'm really taking my time. because I want to extract as much soil out of the carpets as possible. Sometimes with bad techniques and if you wasn't trained right, cleaners can clean so fast. Not only will they leave the carpet soaking wet, but they'll also leave a lot of soil behind. So basically, they're not getting the carpets as clean as it could be. As you can just see, yep, see the difference. Yes, ma'am. Yep. You can go take a look at them. That's what I like to hear. Your masters? Yeah. But you see how good those rooms came out? Yep. Yes, ma'am. That stool lives on sliders, so I'm going to slide that back and clean it and push it right back.
Okay. Yeah, I try to put
most of the furniture on sliders. Yeah, I see to make it easy. Yeah, to move. Yep. I see a lot of customers do that. They put the furniture on sliders, make it easy to move. Yeah, sometimes you can just push it with one finger. The sliders, they really come in handy.
Oh,
yeah. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yep. You smell it? What does it smell like?
I don't know. I don't know what it smells like. I just know I can smell
a fragrance
that I don't have hanging around.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yep. Huh?
You're pretty good at that. You're doing it with one hand.
Yes, ma'am. Yep, 19 years.
How many?
19.
Really?
Yeah, I've been in this industry for 19 years. I started out working with companies at the age of 19. And then I started my own at the age of 28 and just been doing it ever since. Yep, so. Thank you. Well, the cleaning is to me is I mean, I can do this all day. I'm actually in the transition now of showing other cleaners how to do it. But a thing about like you came highly recommended from Lorraine, your niece. I tell people I'm not in the cleaning business. I'm in the customer relationship business because my job is to build relationships with my customers.
Well, and when you do that, anybody else, you feel comfortable when someone else recommends them.
Yes, ma'am. There you
They'll
go.
recommend you.
Yes, and that's how, in my opinion, a small business should be built with building relationships with your customers so you can run your business off of repeats and referrals.
Word of mouth.
Word of mouth. There you go. All right. Well, I'll be done in about 15 more minutes. Thank you. All right, guys, you hear that? That's what it's all about. Making sure your customers are happy. This is her first time using me, so I want her to actually see it as I'm cleaning, see it for herself, see the results. And that way, guys, I can build a customer for life. Always remember, do your part and do your best, and the rest will follow. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and stop it. Let me move this, do some dry strokes, and that will be it. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.